All right, it's what I find here with another pretty cool RC car. This one's from the 90s truck. It's a Kyosho Inferno ST. The body is not the original, and I don't think the tires are either. This truck is a 100% roller. Body's really cool. It's not all jacked up. Maybe back here a little bit where they glued that fin on. But everything is intact on this thing and beautiful. True survivor right here. Somebody cut off the tread. It's got some scratches on the bottom. Nothing too crazy though. Really, really neat truck. And the only thing it's missing is the motor and receiver and remote. There it is. Check it out. It'll be on eBay. It's what I find. Have a great day.